Are you applying for an arts degree that requires a portfolio for an application? I'm Alice, I work here at the British Academy of Jewellery, and I'm going to walk you through our top tips for how to put together your portfolio. Okay, so I've popped a list here of our top tips. I'm going to move aside in a second so you can screenshot if you want, but if you do want to hold on, I'm going to go into some more details for each one. Okay, so taking good photos, this doesn't mean you need to have the fanciest camera with the best quality. You can do this on your phone. Just make sure that there's decent lighting, we can see the whole object or the whole page. Okay, next is consider variety. So this means if you've worked in multiple materials, so let's say woodworking, glass, ceramics, make sure you include a bit of everything. If you've done any hand sketching or computer program work, so 2D or 3D, make sure you include that because they want to see a versatile range. It is experiment, but don't overload. So you're free to make this portfolio whatever you want, compile it however you like. It really should express who you are as a person, but just remember that you don't need to overload every single page and show every bit of work you've ever done. Sometimes less is more. This next one's super simple but super important. Date your work. So make sure you're adding a date next to all your work and images. And even a small description if you can. This just helps to showcase how your work's developed over time. Okay, last but definitely not least is show your passion. So while you're making your portfolio, you should be checking in with yourself constantly and making sure that this portfolio shows you have an interest in the subject that you're applying for. Honestly, that's the most important thing. I think that's what we're looking for here at BAJ. You don't actually need experience creating jewellery before, but you need to be passionate about starting. At the end of the day, don't worry too much if you feel like you don't have that many different materials to show you've worked in. This portfolio is all about sharing what skill level you're at. It is okay if you're at the start of your creative journey. Good luck and reach out with any questions you may have. Drop them in the comments or send us a DM. We're happy to help.